It's really nice that he's hands-on and he gets out in the field with me as well as sits down and looks at data and helps me figure out how exactly I'm going to write a paper. It definitely helps me think through the process.
My interests are in the dynamics of streamflow, sediment, and pollution in the streams of Northwest Florida, especially in Escambia and Santa Rosa counties, and how they relate to the way that we manage landscapes and do restoration in this area.
We are looking at land use compared to erosion. So in a stream like this, we're in a forested area. One of our other streams in Escambia County is in more of an agricultural, less developed area, and then our third stream is in a very urbanized area of Escambia County. We are basically looking at how sediment moves from the top of the stream system throughout and eventually out to the bottom of the stream. So after a rainfall event, we bring our stormwater autosamplers back to the lab where Savannah and I process the samples for bromide, chloride, sulfate, nitrate, nitrite, and phosphate. We process our water samples for water quality and sediment. For water quality, we use the ion chromatograph. For sediment, we use our vacuum pumps to look at total suspended sediment. Both of those go in our computer system into Microsoft Excel, and we're able to process the data from there.
Matt just submitted a proposal for a grant that would utilize EPA's SWIM, which is Stormwater Management Model. You can model scenarios where they use green infrastructure, where they just manage their water differently. Examples of green infrastructure would be like grassy swales, rain garden. An ideal scenario would be where
we use the SWIM model to model a rainflow event compared to potential green infrastructure that they'd like to install. I've been able to do work as a team, work in a research team. I've learned how to use the equipment. I've learned how to be flexible with my schedule. With stormwater sampling, you've got to really wait for the storms to come through, and we've got to be ready at a moment's notice to deploy our auto samplers.